Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be showing you how to add debit card to your Uber Eats account. So let's go ahead and dive into the video. Start off by opening up a web browser and type in ubereats.com inside the URL box. Once you get to the official website for Uber Eats, make sure to log into your account by entering your account's credentials. Once you're signed in, go to the upper left-hand corner and click on the menu button or the hamburger menu. Now select the wallet option from the expanded menu on the left-hand corner. Click on Add Payment Method from the option and click on the Spend option in the pop-up. Now select credit or debit card and enter your debit card number in the first text box. You will also need to enter the expiry date for your debit card, its security code, your country, and then your nickname if available. After filling in your debit card information, click on Add Card in order to add your debit card on Uber Eats. So that's it for today's video. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.